What if you could own a real classic car for under $5,000 right now? From rare finds to running drivers and wild project builds, here are 20 classics you don't want to miss. Car 1, 1966 Plymouth Belvedere. $5,000, Staunton, Virginia. This 1966 Plymouth Belvedere comes with a 318 V8 and automatic transmission, and it shows a very low documented mileage of around 25,000 miles. The car currently runs and drives, even though it is temporarily running off an external fuel setup, which still indicates a strong and healthy engine overall. It will need a proper fuel tank, heater core, and a fresh set of tires to be fully road ready. Aside from that, the car is described as quiet and smooth, making it a great candidate for a light restoration or a reliable weekend cruiser with some basic work. Car 2, 1973 Ford Mustang, Torino platform. $3,800, Johnstown, Pennsylvania. Although listed as a Mustang, this car is actually based on a Torino platform. It is powered by a 250 inline-6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and the mileage of 74,000 miles is believed to be accurate. The car runs and drives well and is currently being used occasionally, making it one of the more functional classics in this list. It has a clean title and new tires, which adds to its usability. Overall, it's a solid entry-level classic that can be enjoyed immediately while slowly improving its condition. Car 3, 1971 Lincoln Mark III, $4,800, Middletown, Delaware. This 1971 Lincoln Mark III is equipped with a massive 460 V8 engine and delivers the classic American luxury experience. It starts, runs, and drives well, and has received several important mechanical updates, including steering components, brakes, and ignition parts. There are a few minor issues, such as a non-working fuel gauge, a small transmission fluid leak, and some cosmetic needs on the roof. Despite that, it remains a strong driver with a clean title and a well-maintained drivetrain, making it a great value luxury classic. Car 4, 1970 Chevrolet Impala, $3,500, Gates, Tennessee. This 1970 Chevrolet Impala comes with a 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission. The engine is reported to run well, which makes it a good starting point for a project or a simple cruiser build. Details are somewhat limited, but vehicles in this condition typically need cosmetic work and general maintenance. Overall, it's a straightforward, full-size classic with a running drivetrain and solid potential depending on the buyer's plans. Car 5, 1969 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe, $4,800, Summerville, South Carolina. This 1969 Corvette Stingray is a project car with a 350 engine and automatic transmission. It comes with a clean title and includes a large number of original parts, such as interior components, trim, bumpers, and side pipes. The engine is currently not running, and the car will need some framework near the rear tire area. However, the structure is described as solid overall, making it a relatively straightforward restoration project compared to many others at this price point. Car 6, 1975 Chevrolet C30 Camper Special, $5,000, Hillsboro, Missouri. This 1975 Chevrolet C30 is powered by a 454 big block paired with a turbo 400 transmission. The truck runs and drives and is described as being free from major rust issues, especially on the frame. It has received several recent upgrades, including a new carburetor, ignition components, starter, and brakes. Aside from a cracked windshield and minor cosmetic imperfections, it is a solid, heavy-duty classic truck that can be used while being improved. Car 7, 1969 Chevrolet Impala, parts car, $1,969, Quakertown, Pennsylvania. This 1969 Chevrolet Impala is being parted out, and most of the drivetrain components have already been removed or sold. The current running condition is unknown, and the car is mainly being offered for parts. Various components are still available, including interior pieces, radiator, and trim parts. This is not a running project, but rather a donor vehicle for someone restoring a similar model or looking for original parts. Car 8, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta, $5,000, Buffalo, New York. This 1979 Camaro Berlinetta is a project car with a strong performance background. It previously had a built 383 stroker engine producing over 500 horsepower, but the engine currently has issues and does not run. The car has new brakes and tires, and the body is described as relatively solid with some rust and cosmetic wear. The interior has also been partially stripped. Overall, it's a performance-oriented project that will require engine work but has a strong foundation. Car 9, 1957 Cadillac Fleetwood Sedan, $1,000, Grand Haven, Michigan. This 1957 Cadillac Fleetwood has been sitting for a long time and does not currently run. The car has significant rust underneath due to storage conditions, but it appears to be mostly complete. Given its condition, this is a full restoration project or a parts donor. However, its classic design and completeness may still make it appealing to dedicated collectors or builders. Car 10, 1966 Chevrolet Impala, Project Roller, $3,500, Cordova, Tennessee. This 1966 Chevrolet Impala is a roller project, meaning it currently has no engine or transmission installed. It originally came with a 327 V8 and Powerglide transmission, which can be included but are not installed. The car requires significant rest repair, including floors and trunk areas. It is a full restoration project, but it comes with a title and offers a solid base for someone looking to build a classic from the ground up.
Car 11, 1977 Volkswagen Rabbit Mk1 Diesel, $2,500, Tellico Plains, Tennessee. This 1977 Volkswagen Rabbit Mk1 is a rare early diesel model that runs and drives well, powered by a 1.5-liter diesel engine known for its fuel efficiency. The seller notes it can achieve around 45 mpg, making it a practical and economical classic. The car retains its original paint with visible patina and has very minimal rust, which is a big advantage for its age. Several maintenance items have already been addressed, including brakes and a new windshield. While it could benefit from a full restoration, it is currently usable as is. Overall, this is a solid survivor that offers a unique driving experience and excellent fuel economy, ideal for someone who appreciates vintage European cars. Car 12, 1976 Chevrolet Vega, listed as Volt, $3,800, Lake Ozark, Missouri. This 1976 Chevrolet Vega is described as very solid and rust-free, which is uncommon for this model. It is powered by a 3.0-liter Iron Duke engine and runs and drives well, making it one of the more usable cars in this price range. The car retains its original paint and comes with a deluxe interior, along with a set of new tires included in the sale. It is road-ready and can be driven home, which adds to its appeal. Overall, this is a clean and functional compact classic that can be enjoyed immediately or slowly improved over time. Car 13, 1978 Chevrolet Camaro LS Coupe, $2,700, New Site, Mississippi. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro LS is described as a mostly complete and functional classic with a good engine and transmission. While the seller is unsure of its exact current running condition, it was reportedly running when last parked. The car may need basic maintenance, such as a tune-up, fresh fuel, and tire work before being fully road-ready. Aside from that, most systems are said to be intact and working. Overall, it's a budget-friendly Camaro project with solid potential, especially for someone looking for an affordable entry into classic muscle cars. Car 14, 1976 Honda Civic CVCC. $1,500, Virginia Beach, Virginia. This first-generation 1976 Honda Civic CVCC is a lightweight classic project with a relatively low mileage of around 52,000 miles. The engine runs, but it currently operates off a temporary fuel setup and will require a full fuel system overhaul. The car has very solid structural components, including rockers and frame rails, which is a big advantage. However, it does have rust in certain areas, such as the spare tire well, and requires some bodywork, including a replacement rear hatch. Overall, this is a rare early Civic project with good structural integrity, ideal for someone interested in restoring a unique compact classic. Car 15, 1976 Ford Thunderbird Coupe. $2,800, Breiningsville, Pennsylvania. This 1976 Ford Thunderbird is powered by a 460 V8 and is described as a mostly original vehicle with no major rust issues. It represents classic American personal luxury from the mid-1970s. The car appears to be in decent overall condition for its age, though it may require minor cosmetic work or general maintenance depending on the buyer's expectations. Overall, it's a relatively complete and affordable V8 cruiser that can be enjoyed as is or lightly restored.
Car 16, 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. $5,000, Henrico, Virginia. This 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is a complete project car equipped with a 350 engine and transmission. It also features factory air conditioning, which adds to its desirability. The car will require a full restoration as it is not currently in finished condition. It carries a salvage title, which may affect its value and restoration approach. Overall, it's a solid starting point for someone looking to build a classic Chevelle with all major components present but significant work required. Car 17, 1968 Ford Torino Coupe. $2,200, Martinsville, Virginia. This 1968 Ford Torino is a mostly complete car with a 289 V8 and automatic transmission. It has been stored for decades and shows relatively low mileage for its age. The engine is currently stuck and will likely require a rebuild, but the car comes with many original parts and even includes replacement floor sections. The interior is in decent shape and many trim pieces are still intact. Overall, it's a solid restoration candidate with good originality, though it will need mechanical work to get back on the road. Car 18, 1968 Chevrolet Impala. $2,500, Gray, Georgia. This 1968 Chevrolet Impala started as a factory 327 car, but now features a rebuilt 350 engine. It has already received several upgrades, including front disc brakes, a new master cylinder, and a new aluminum radiator. The seller has lost interest in the project, but many new parts have already been installed, making it a good starting point for someone else. The overall condition suggests it will still need additional work to be fully completed. Overall, it's a partially built project with a strong mechanical base and room for further customization. Car 19, 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. $4,000, Sanford, North Carolina. This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is a classic project car that can turn over and run, but it still requires additional work to be fully road ready. It retains its original styling and comes with a relatively simple drivetrain setup. The car is not in perfect condition and will need restoration work, likely including cosmetic improvements and mechanical sorting depending on the buyer's goals. Overall, it's a recognizable and desirable classic Mustang that offers a good entry point into restoration at an affordable price. Car 20, 1973 Ford Mustang Coupe, Project Shell, $1,000, Ligonier, Indiana. This 1973 Ford Mustang is a non-running project that currently has no engine or transmission. It does come with a clean title and includes some additional parts, such as a new fuel tank and grille. The car has significant rust issues, particularly in the floors, and will require extensive restoration work. It is best suited as either a parts stoner or a full rebuild project for someone with the time and resources. Overall, it's a very cheap entry point into classic Mustang ownership, but it will require a serious commitment to bring it back to life. Some of these are ready to drive, others need serious work, but all of them have potential. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more classic car finds.